Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be going over the unboxing and assembly process for your new Greenworks product. We will cover the items that come in the box along with any steps necessary for assembly. As always, we would like to thank you for your purchase and for joining the Greenworks family.
Open up the box and remove the loose parts from around the mower. Please be sure to read the included documentation before assembling and using your new mower. Set the loose parts to the side of the box and rotate the box on its side. This will make it easier to remove the mower without lifting straight out of the packaging. Wheel the mower out of the box and leave it in the vertical position. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle and secure it by putting the included bolts through the holes and tighten.
If you are following along during the assembly process, your new Greenworks product is now ready for use. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.